Well, welcome to the week 4 lecture. We're going to be analyzing a professional document on how it meets the criteria for technical writing found in Chapter 5 of Howdy or Hello. Okay, just as a side right now, you see there's another link to our textbook down here. I think it's got the same content in the same way, but use this one for now. The second version is supposed to be available in April. This one is going to go away in April, is what I wanted to say. So this version is going to go away in April. I haven't entirely checked out the second version. It looks like it's almost exactly the same. They just moved where it's housed and maybe made some minor changes. So, Chapter 5 of Howdy or Hello. Let's read the book here real quick. It's on writing skills, and it's communicating professionally, precise and concise wording, and sentence structure. You're going to pick one area from in here. Communicating professionally. Okay. Here are the 7 C's, and we're going to use this a lot in our future project of technical writing. How is it? Okay. For this assignment, you can use those. Precise and concise wording. Here's what it is, precise and concise wording. And the final one, the sentence structure. So, that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be analyzing a document. Well, what document? Something professional that gets you grant-funded money for the National Endowment for the Humanities, NEH, okay? And people write in to the government and say, hey, this is what I'm going to do. I want money for it. So it has to be clear, concise, precise. I was involved in writing a $1.5 million state grant. And they tell you, here's this little box. Here's what you have to put in this little box using 150 words. All right? So how do we do that? How does it come across clearly and concisely? Okay? And here is the case study. Here's what it was about. The grant proposal that you're looking at. Here is the grant proposal. So you're going to open that and you're going to pick any 3 pages you want. All right? And you're going to analyze it using the lens that you choose from Chapter 5. I'm not telling you choose what lens. So you're going to identify your lens. You're going to conduct your analysis. You're going to draft your analysis. Here is an AI-generated model that says, okay, AI, I had Gemini do this. Here's what you say in your introduction. I had some questions on introduction. Well, what are you talking about? This is exactly what I'm talking about. And they're using precise wording, okay, evidence of concise sentence structure, here, okay, example, conclusion. That's simple for right now. Okay, we get more complex. Our project 2 is going to be more complex. But that's what you're doing for now. Make sure it's written correctly. You're going to copy and paste it into the discussion forum. Don't upload it. Okay, and then you're going to do a student response. So you're not going to do a discourse reflection this week. You're going to copy and paste your analysis of the 3 pages that you choose from this proposal. Okay, so that's what we're doing. And then again, and then again, you know, how you get credit, don't get credit, whatever. Okay, that's all I got to say. This is getting to be a little bit long. I will have this posted in the next 5 minutes. Bye.